So hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you a technique of solarization. So the first I need to share my screen. So what I intend to, so as you can see here, it's solarization technique. It's really extreme effect. You can see it. Then now I'm going to stop sharing, then share a different screen and my Photoshop screen. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, I need to open up my photo. Right. That is my selfie. So probably that is going to be good. For example, go like here. Okay, let's get started. So the first of all, it's really simple. Just click half circle from the bottom here, and then put black and white. And then also from the same point, half circle and curves. Okay, just black and white curves. Just click, and now you can see curves here, and make anchor point in the center, just here, and then grab right bottom corner to bring towards up, and you can easily make solarization effect like this. And another technique, just put another anchor, either point at the center, and it's gonna be like a W, and now you can see kind of like a metric effect, the solarization. And previously, just simply you're gonna make like this one anchor point and the U shape. It's like a basic solarization. Just simply the black turn into white, and then white turn into black. It's the opposite. And I'm gonna put again 2 points either side of center and the W. And now you got solarization effect. And also I'm gonna play with different one. So just open another one. So that's kind of like, this solarization effect can be used to any kind of photo, and then click polygon tool from third from the top, and just simply just click and just make a random shape. So including white and the black areas, and then same as from half circle, and just black and white. Just this filter only affects underneath and here, and also click here, and the same kind of stuff and the curves, and then bring in the top. And if you just make anchor point here and then bring it down, this effect all the way through underneath. On this occasion, just point it here and then right click and then make clipping mask. Or just get back one step, layer order. Yes, I want to make clipping mask from layer and create clipping mask here. And then just curves only effect underneath. You're gonna make anchor point again and then bring it toward up. And just curves effect underneath, just underneath black and white layer. It doesn't affect around, just background here. And then you can make a really high contrast image on my face. And I'm gonna play with that this and like this. Now you can get some interesting image. It's quite easy to make a solarization effect on your photo. Just selfie and put black and white from half circle and the curves, and just play with as a parameter. Just double shape and the U shape. Simple U shape. So make simple solarization effect. And then bring it down. It's really high contrast. It's a metric stuff. And then bring the anchor all the way up. It's quite whitey. Just play with the anchor, then searching your favorite effect of solarization. Okay. Just keep it a count of let's try. Okay. All right, guys. Bye.